continuation video JEE previous questions. 16th bit. The line P of P square plus 1 into X minus Y plus Q is equal to 0, and this is first line, and second line is P square plus 1 whole square into X plus P square plus 1 into Y plus 2Q is equal to 0, or second line perpendicular to A or perpendicular to a common line. Now solution are perpendicular to a common line, and therefore m1 is equal to m2. m1 means first line slope and m2 is second line slope. So now m1 is minus a by b is equal to m2 is minus a by b. This is minus a by b, minus of a means p of p square plus 1 by b means y coefficient, and minus x coefficient by y coefficient is equal to minus of p square plus 1 whole square by p square plus 1, and this is one time p square plus 1 is cancelled and other one is p square plus 1 is cancelled. Now nothing but p by 1 is equal to minus 1, this is p is equal to minus 1. Now we observe that the options, first one exactly one values of p, and second one exactly two values of p, and third one more than two values of p, and fourth one no values of p. That means p is equal to minus 1, this is exact one value. Now the first option is exactly one values of p, exactly one values of p. Therefore option is first option. Seventeenth bit. The line L given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, sorry, x by 5 plus y by b is equal to 1, passing through the point 13 comma 2, passing through the point 13 comma 32. Now which passes through the point this line, and therefore x is 13 by 5 and y 32 by b is equal to 1, and therefore 13 by 5 is equal to 1 minus 32 by b is equal to 1 minus 13 by 5, and this is b is equal to minus 20, b is equal to minus 20, and substituting this value and this line, so therefore x by 5 plus y by minus 20 is equal to 1, and therefore x by 5 minus y by 20 is equal to 1. Now LCM is 20, and this is 4x minus y is equal to 1, and therefore 4x minus y is equal to 20 and therefore 4x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now slope of this line is minus m is equal to minus 4 by minus 1, and this is equal to m is equal to 4. Now and the second line is k is parallel to the L, and the equation x by c plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Now the LCM is 3c, and this is 3x plus cy is equal to 1, and 3x plus cy is equal to 3c. Now the slope of the line is m is equal to minus 3 by c, and this is c is equal to minus 3 by m, where m is equal to 4, and therefore c is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now the substituting this value on this line, and therefore x by minus 3 by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1, and this is minus 4x by 3 and plus y by 3 is equal to 1, minus 4x plus y is equal to 3, and this is 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and therefore this is 1 and this is 2. These lines are parallel lines, and therefore a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 1, and c1 is equal to minus 20 and c2 is equal to 3, and distance between two parallel lines is d is equal to modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. Substituting these values and these lines, minus 20 minus 3 by root of a square plus b square, 16 plus 1, and this is modulus of modulus minus 23 by root 17, and this is 23 by this is root 7. Now the distance between two parallel lines is this one, and this one is 23 by root 17. Now once again, now the line passes through the point 13 comma 32, and this passes through the point this line. Now the substituting this value b in the equation, and the line is 4x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now the slope of the line is 4, and the another line is x by c plus y by 3 is equal to 1, and this is also m is minus 3 by c, and c is minus 3 by 4. Now the substituting this value on this line, the next one is two lines are parallel, and therefore comparing the lines, these values a and b and c1 and c2, and this is now the distance between two parallel lines is d is modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square, and substituting these values in the formula, and again d is 23 by root 17. Now the option is 4, answer is 4. So now d is equal to 23 by root 17. 19th bit. If the line 2x plus y is equal to k, if the line 2x plus y is equal to k, passing through the point which divides the line segment the points 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 4 are in the ratio 2:3, in the ratio 3:2, then k equals, then find k value. Now the line which passes through the points 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 4 are in the ratio 3:2, then the k value. Now the most very important bit, minus L11 is to L22 is equal to 3:2. Now minus L11 by L22 is equal to 3/2. Now the first point substituting in these lines, and second point on these one and this line. Now first point substituting these lines, and this is minus L11, and this is the second point L22. Now minus of L11, 2 into 1 plus 1 minus k by L22, second point substituting in this line, 2 into 2 plus 4 minus k is equal to 3/2, is equal to 3/2, and this is minus of 2 plus 1 3 minus k by 2 to the 4 plus 4 8 minus k is equal to 3/2. Now cross multiplication is minus 6x minus 6 plus 2k is equal to 24 minus 3k, and minus 6 plus 2k minus 24 plus 3k is equal to 0. 3k plus 2k 5k, and minus 6 minus 24 minus 30 is equal to 0. 5k is equal to minus 5k is equal to 30, k is equal to 6. Now the value is 6, and the first option, therefore now answer is 6. Now once again, the line passing through the point divides the ratio 3:2. Now minus L11 is to L22 is equal to 3:2, minus L11 by L22 is equal to 3/2, and the L11 is first point and the L22 is second point substituting this line. This is equal to 3/2, and then class multiplication and simplification is k is equal to 6. Now the first option is 6. Question: if the points 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4, if the points 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4 lie on the same side of the straight line 3x minus 5y plus a is equal to 0. Then a lies in the set. Already the bit is solved. Now the same side of the line, and therefore L11 into L22 is positive, and this is option is real number minus closure bracket 7 comma 11. Already we have to solve bit 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4 same side of the line, and this is first line and second line, and a is 7 and a is 11, and the option is second bit r minus closure bracket 7 comma 11. Comma b comma c and b non-zero numbers. If the point of intersection of the lines 4ax plus 2ay plus c is equal to 0 and 5bx plus 2by plus d is equal to 0 lies in the fourth quadrant and is equidistant from the two axes. Then now the fourth quadrant, that means this is first, second and third, fourth quadrants, and this is positive and positive, and this is negative, positive, and this is negative, negative, and this is positive and negative. This is the fourth quadrant. Let the point k comma minus k satisfies the lines. Now the point passes through this line and the point passes through this line, and therefore 4ak plus 2a into minus k plus c is equal to 0. This is first line, and 4ak minus 2ak plus c is equal to 0. 4ak minus 2ak, this is 2ak is equal to minus c. Now k is equal to minus c by 2a, and this is first line, and the point which passes through the second line 5b into k plus 2b into minus k plus d is equal to 0, and this is 5bk minus 2bk plus d is equal to 0. 5bk minus 2bk is 3bk is equal to minus d, and this is k is equal to minus d by 3b, and this is k value and this is k value. 1 and 2 is equating on both sides. Minus c by 2a is equal to minus d by 3b, and this is minus minus is cancelled. Next 3bc is equal to 2ad, and therefore 3bc minus 2ab is equal to 0. This is 2ad is equal to 0. Now the option is third option, 3bc minus 2a is equal to 0. Okay. Now once again, now the two lines of the first quadrant in the point of intersection of lines. Now the point k comma minus k satisfies these lines, and the point passing through this line and the point passing through this second line. Now this line is k value is minus c by 2a, and second line is k value is minus d by 3b. This is also k and this is k. Now from 1 to equating k values, this 3bc is equal to 2ab, and this is 3bc minus 2ad is equal to 0. Now the option is third. Now the answer is third. Okay. Let PS is the median of the triangle with vertices. PS is the median of the triangle with vertices of the triangle PQR. And PS is the median of the triangle. Now the point P2, 2 and Q 6, minus 1 and R 7, 3. Okay. The equation of line passing through the point 1, 1 and parallel to the PS. ఈ లైన్కి ప్యారలల్గా ఉండేటువంటి పాయింట్ 1, -1 దగ్గర మనం ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో నా S is the midpoint of QR. S is the midpoint of QR, and this is equal to S x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, and this is 13 by 2 comma 1. Now the S coordinate is 13 by 2 comma 1. And next, slope of PS is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and this is 1 minus 2 by 13 by 2 minus 2, and this is minus 1 by 13 minus 4 by 2, and this is minus 2 by 9. Now the slope of the median is minus 2 by 9, and this is parallel to the point passing through the 1 comma 1, is parallel to PS. Now the equation of the straight line, is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now the point 1 comma minus 1, and this is y plus 1 is equal to, now m means minus 2 by 9 into x minus x1, and this is x minus 1. Now 9 into y plus 9y plus 9 is equal to minus 2x plus 2, and this is 9y plus 9 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now the required parallel to the PS to the line, and this is 2x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. Once again, now the triangle of PQR, what is this PQR? Now PS is the median of the triangle, and this is S is the median of S is the midpoint of QR, and this is S coordinate 13 by 2 comma 1. Now the slope of PS is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is parallel to the PS to the line passing through the 1 comma 1. Now the equation of the straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and this is x1 y1 1 comma minus 1, and this slope is minus 2 by 9. That is required answer. 2x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now the answer is 2. Now 2x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0.